With the Nintendo Switch 2 officially unveiled, excitement and curiosity are reaching new heights about what this gaming marvel will bring to the table. While we'll have to wait another month for Nintendo to reveal more juicy details about the highly anticipated hardware and its accompanying games, recent FCC filings via The Verge have already spilled the beans on some thrilling new features. Charging capabilities. The Nintendo Switch 2 can now be charged from either its bottom USB-C port or its newly introduced top USB-C port. This dual charging option was hinted at during the announcement, but it's now confirmed, providing unmatched convenience for gamers on the go. Wi-Fi upgrade. Say hello to faster download speeds with Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax support, offering up to 80 MHz of bandwidth. While Nintendo sticks to its traditionalist approach by omitting Wi-Fi 6E, Wi-Fi 7, and the 6 GHz band, Switch 2 users will still notice a substantial boost from Wi-Fi 5, ensuring smoother online gaming and quicker downloads. NFC and charging. Just like the original, NFC reading remains possible with the right Joy-Con, allowing seamless interactions and compatibility with existing accessories. Additionally, the console can be charged at up to 15V and 2.6A, even if its AC adapter goes up to 20V, ensuring efficient and rapid charging without compromising on safety. Design and features. The Switch 2 boasts a larger size compared to its predecessor, providing a more immersive gaming experience. Its Joy-Con controllers attach magnetically and now feature a new C button and new triggers, enhancing gameplay precision and comfort. While physical and digital Switch games are mostly compatible, some may not be fully supported. Moreover, expect exclusive titles for the Switch 2 that won't be playable on the original Switch, adding an extra layer of allure for gamers looking to upgrade. Upcoming keynote and launch details. Mark your calendars because Nintendo has scheduled a highly anticipated keynote for April. During this event, we hope to receive more exciting news about the teased Mario Kart 9 game and other thrilling updates. The launch of Nintendo Switch 2 in 2025 is set to revolutionize the gaming landscape once again, continuing Nintendo's legacy of innovation and entertainment. Nintendo Switch 2 promises to be a game-changer, delivering a host of new features and enhancements that cater to both longtime fans and new players alike. Stay tuned for more updates as we inch closer to the launch date.